Welcome to the Fuji booth. This is Nakanishi speaking, and I am working at the Fuji domestic sales team. Today, I will bring you to the Fuji booth tour. Our concept is Fuji Smart Factory 2.0. Okay, let's go to the actual machine. Okay, first of all, we have the product called Smart Tower S-Tower 2, which is linked with our production system called NextSim. NextSim enables customer for the optimal production schedule and also for the mass connection of the customer factory and also for the line monitoring while production. This kind of NextSim and S-Tower collaboration can enable customer for the optimal logistics on the customer factory. Okay, let's see next booth. Okay, let's see a brand new concept of machine called the NXTR PM printer machine and also NXTR placement machine. For the NXTR PM, as you can see, we have the concept called the PM Smart Changer. This unit can automate the changeover for the backup block and also for the screen mask. Okay, let's see placement machine. This is NXTR placement machine. As you can see, this kind of robot called the smart loader can automate the feeder exchange. Not only with the Fuji NXTR series, we have a premium Fuji Smart Factory member called CKD and Omron. With collaborating with them, we can enable customers for the optimal production. Okay, thank you very much. Let's move to the next section. Okay, let's move to the next section. Fuji is also exhibiting our flagship model, existing model. As you can see, we are now exhibiting the machine called GTX T2 printer and NXT3 placement machine. For the GTX T2 printer, from the last model, this model has graded up for the basic specification. For the NXT3 series, not only for the high-speed placement, this kind of big connector, this M6 type modules can automate the insertion of this kind of big connector. And we also do this kind of demonstration in this booth. So I hope you can enjoy same kind of demo. This is for your information. Fuji is also exhibiting this kind of various solutions and PCB. So I hope you can also enjoy this kind of content. Okay, thank you very much for watching so far. I will pass my mic to the Hondo-san. Let's go.
Auto Inserter S of Alpha, its multifunction inserting machine can handle radial parts, axial parts, and jumper harness. This machine needs smaller space to product comparing to setting machines for each component. And connecting with auto building machines on S5 series, this machine can be used as a part of big line. Recently, demands of automation from manual insertion parts is increasing owing to a lack of manpower or quality. And we have a lot of negotiation with a lot of customers. S5D can solve automation from manual insertion parts like these. Then, it also can deal with a lot of many supply form and do cut and clinch as well. SWBA is a robot cell concepted easier to use robot, and this is based on our smart wing, and we contribute SMT from the side of PCB assembly. This robot cell doesn't need big capital investment, so automation can realize with low cost. And any parts which is difficult to handle by mounter can be inserted by this robot cell on PCB. Because of end effector made by star vendor or supply unit can be connected by I/O signal, so SI or user can connect them easily. Thank you for coming our Fuji booth tour. We are waiting for you on Protect Tokyo 2022. Bye.
Fuji, innovative spirit.